Okay, I'm gonna do blue genie because the genie in Aladdin is blue.
Good idea.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, I'm trying to think of what the genie in Aladdin looks like. Is there any genie pictures here that I can look at? Well, no. Here we go. So for the genie, let's do 2 eyes like this. And then we'll put the little circle in the eyes. And then I remember the genie has kind of a big, he has kind of a little nose like that. And then he kind of has a big smile like that. So let's do 2 U shapes to make a smile. And then he has teeth here. And then he has a big chin, I remember. And then at the top of his head, I remember he has a little like wrap thing. And then he has a little ponytail, I think. Genies often have that, I think, a ponytail. So there's the face. And then he has his arms here.
Wow, that's really good.
And then another arm here.
How about that?
There we go. Thank you, Banjo Benny. Sorry, I'm lost in genie land here.
Oh, it's all good.
And then he has a wrap down here. And then the bottom of the genie comes from the lamp. So he wisps down. And then let's do the lamp right here.
Wow.
Special lamp.
How about that?
Lamp.
The genie lamp.
Coming out of the genie lamp.
That's a great movie, ain't it?
Oh, Aladdin is one of my favorite movies. That's a great movie. One jump ahead of them. Only what I can afford. Bum, 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 bum. Man, Aladdin.
Wow.
The original Aladdin is so cool. In a whole new world. A whole new world. We should do a whole new world sometime on music time.
That's a good idea.
We're gonna write that down and we're gonna do a whole new world at some point. That's a great one. We'll do that around when Aladdin time comes out.
Sound good.
Yeah, maybe we'll do a song from the new movie too.
Yeah.
One that people haven't heard before. There we go.
What do you
Wow, really good.
Oh my goodness, yours is fantastic.
Hey, thank you. Yours is great too.
This is the lamp. That's the genie. And then these are the clouds.
Wow, he's up in the sky.
Yeah, he's skying it.
I love
Yeah.
your genie. He looks cool.
Genie it.
Okay, let's hold him up so you guys can see.
See it? All
You
right.
can see better.
What's yours look like?
Yeah, did you guys draw with us? Sorry, we forgot to remind you, but you guys know by now how to grab paper if you want to draw with us.
Yeah.
And then if you didn't, that's cool. You could, if you didn't and you wanted to draw, you could go grab paper right now and still draw a genie while you're watching the show.
That's right.
Yeah, or you can wait till
some of those
after.
look good.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, nice work for those of you who
Nice
did.
job.
Really good.
Wow.
Really good.
Really good.
Really good. Okay, so
Good
let's spell genie.
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah.
Can we spell that?
Sure.
This is a tricky one. This is
Yeah.
kind of a little trickier.
Okay.
And this is spelled with the G.
A G.
Well, you would think, right?
G.
G is the start. G.
Genie.
G. And then
Yeah.
a knee.
A knee. Knee.
Genie.
E.
A G and a knee.
A G-E.
Yep, G-E, you're right. You're right.
Oh.
A G and then an E.
Okay.
I was gonna draw a knee here, so then we just have a G, knee.
Oh, that's a really funny idea.
Here's a leg, and then a knee, and then a foot.
Oh my goodness.
And then G, and then knee.
A knee.
G, knee.
Get it?
Yeah. Okay, so the real way to spell it though is G-E,
G-E.
and then an an N.
Oh, it's one of them N's again.
A jing. And then you would think, because this is a G, you might end with the E.
Yeah.
Because it's another E, genie. But
Genie.
at the end of the word, sometimes when you want to make the E sound, there's first an I.
Them tricky
A
eyes.
tricky I, so it's an I,
I.
and then an E. So
Oh,
G,
my goodness.
I, and then an E. Genie. That's a tricky word, guys. If you learn how to spell genie, that's pretty good.
Genie.
G-E-N-I-E. Genie.
Genie.
G-E-N-I-E.
Wow.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
about that?
Genie.